Oh, I can't believe we're in Rehoboth again. But where are we going again? We're going to see the sunrise, and it's kind of dark in the car, so we'll see you when we're there. Okay, we're on the boardwalk. Candy Kitchen. It's awesome. Hang on, look at this view, guys. Dr. Hogg, I can't believe it. You got me up at 5 in the morning for this. Are we going on the beach? Yeah, in just like a minute or two. Okay.
Oh, I'm so happy.
This is Candy Kitchen. It's a really good store, so yeah. Dallas saltwater taffy. Yeah, that's a classic. Okay, so now we're gonna go on to the beach. Whoa. Let's build a sand castle. I didn't bring the equipment, so you're kind of out of luck there. Oh man, but I can bury you in the sand. Okay, good job. You're doing well. Okay. All right.
I'm gonna go down to the water room.
There you go, Leo. Look at how beautiful the sunrise is. I'm gonna go touch the water. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cool. It's super weird too. Yeah. Oh, I just got soaked. Oh no. Okay. Oh, hang on. Look at this. Oh yeah, that's a good view. Pink clouds. Pink clouds.
Never mind.
So what do we do now? You watch the sunrise.
That's sad. But I can't not ever go back down.
I'm bored. I'll go down to the water. Okay. I'll sit in the stand. I'm so sandy. Oh! Whoa! That's awesome. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, these waves are strong. Oh. Oh. Oh, I got sand in my mouth. Ew. That's just what I wanted, sand in my mouth. Every kid gets sand in their mouth. Blech. Oh my gosh. These things are dangerous. Like, it's rip current. Oh! Man, I would not want to be in there. Here, I'll touch the water. Oh, all right, there you go. I did it, proof. Nice proof there. All right, I'm gonna go back to Leo, see if he's okay. Huh. What to do in the sand?
Well, Barry, you want to play in the sand?
I give up.
Sure. That sunrise. Oh, it's getting there. What?
Are you okay? I'm playing in the sand. What does it look like? Maybe you're getting buried in the sand. Yeah, that's about it. Let's get on the chair. Whoa, look at this view. This is awesome. We're super high up though. So just enjoy it. Look at the waves and the sunrise. Oh yeah. Oh, I almost got stuck in that umbrella hole. That would have been weird. It's coming out. Man, we're super high up. The sun started rising. It's beautiful, right? You could say that again. It's beautiful, right? Dude, not really. Oh, okay. All in all, this is super great. But I think we should get down and go back on the sand, maybe. So, yeah. How did he do that? Let me just see. Whoa. Whoa. Ow. Oh, come on. It's not that bad. How did you do that? Magic. There's so much to love about the beach. I can't believe we didn't make a video last time we were at Rehoboth. I mean, just look. Welcome to Rehoboth Beach. Oh yeah, Leo lifeguard. Nice. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh look, it's a little like tunnel. Okay, I'll go in. Wow, just wow. All right, you can go sit there. I'm gonna go play on the ocean. That's fine. How does he even do this stuff? Forget it. Whoa, this is all cool. Man, the ocean, the tide is really strong. Looks like another day of strong waves. Yesterday we had a thunderstorm. I was at the beach. I wasn't filming, and the beach was closed. So it was crazy. It was pouring while everyone was getting in their cars. Then it was lots of traffic. So it's nice to go early in the morning. Tip from Leo. Count that, okay? I would love to go in there, but one, I don't want to get wet, and two, I might not come back. So, probably best if I don't. Yeah. Whoa, look at the sun. Alright, I need another photo shoot. This will be really great for a thumbnail. Okay, I gotta get out of here before I get hit by the waves, so. Goodbye, ocean. I'll probably see you, I don't know. I just see you, okay? It's just, yeah. Alright. Oh, man, I was being weird with the ocean. Alright. Let's go see what Dr. Hogg's up to. Maybe he ran into a pole or something. Seagulls! Alright, it's time to go back to our Rehoboth home, but then in a couple hours we should leave. Oh man, but it was only a day. But wasn't it fun? I guess you're right. Well, time to head home. This beautiful beach. I sure will miss it. But we'll be here again, right? Yeah, we'll be here again. Yes, 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 yes. Next episode's gonna be like Rehoboth 5000. No, not really. Yeah, it will. No, it won't. Okay. Well, let me get one last view on the boardwalk. Candy Kitchen. Dolls Water. Saltwater Taffy. Goodbye. I'll be back this summer. Okay. Don't get your hopes up too high. Goodbye.